everybody, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is 2019. It's going to be my 5th year anniversary here on YouTube. Video about how to make a foam helmet. And thank you so much. If it wasn't for you, I would not be here. I want to thank all 173,000 subscribers on YouTube. And hopefully next year, 2019, I'll be reaching 200,000. A big shout out to everybody on twitch.tv/EvilTedSmith, where I stream every Monday and Tuesday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'm at 8,000 followers there. Again, everybody, thank you so much. And a big personal shout out to my Facebook group, the Foam Fanatics. We have 7,000 members and growing. If you're new to cosplay, it's a great group to join. I'll ask, when you do join, be sure to answer the 2 questions. Now that I have your attention, I'm going to make a huge announcement. I am coming back to Canada the 2nd time. I'm going to be at the Northen Fan Con. I'll be there on May 3rd through the 5th, and I cannot wait. It's my 2nd time being in Canada, and I loved it the first time, and I can't wait to come back. Speaking of cons, if you would like me at your local con, be sure to write to them and let them know that you want Evil Ted. I want to make it my mission for 2019 to get to more conventions and meet my fans. I love traveling. I love to meet you. The workshops, costume contests, you name it, I'll be there. I'll do it. Thank you so much, everybody, again, for your continued support, and because you are the fan of my flames that keeps me going. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, and I'll catch you back next time right here on the Evil Ted channel.